In this video, we'll show how to make a romantic decoupage padlock-shaped doorknob hanger. We'll need a decoupage paper napkin, twine, a wooden padlock, ribbon, white acrylic paint, wood finish, white glue, and a hot glue gun. Take a wooden padlock and cover it with a ground coat using a sponge. Remove the two underlayers from the decoupage paper napkin, leaving the top one with the picture on it. See how the ornament fits the lock. Tear off the proper piece. And another one for the other side. Mix white glue and water half and half. Attach the napkin to the lock. Cover over it with the glue mixture. Carefully dab with a sponge or a cloth to remove bubbles and smooth the surface. Tear off the excess. Cover the lock with the glue mixture again. Define a keyhole using a brush. Repeat for the other side. Add some brown acrylic paint to the sponge and distress the lock. Cover the craft with wood finish. Take a ribbon and tie a bow. Attach it to the center of the lock using a hot glue gun. Pass twine through a hole and tie a knot. Let it dry. Done! This charming lock-shaped doorknob hanger will add romance to your interior. Leave your comments, subscribe to our channel, and watch new decoupage decor projects.